Boom shakalaka indicators Bitcoin is in for a big move and an indication of what's to come. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including indications we are about to have a massive move and the direction it is headed. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @Crypto_Love, push that like button. Now today, fear and greed dead neutral at 50, pretty much with the exception of the 1 day in fear. That's where we've been for the last month. The overall market down 1% today, Bitcoin at 26,447, Ethereum at 1845, BNB at 262, XRP 52 cents, Cardano 32 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Solana 1875, and Polygon 77 cents. And the top coins today, based on AI, would be Cosmos Hub, Lido DAO, Caspa, Ren, and Gains Network. And you too can check out Token Metrics free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin has fallen back down into this bear trend within a larger bull trend right here. We'll have to see if we can find some support down here or if we're headed back down to this $25,000 area over the next couple days. Right now, though, bullish momentum is still preserved in each Bitcoin cycle. Once price reverses from bear market, it likes to retest the 38.2 fib retracement level before resuming its course. We had one exception during the COVID crash, but every other time finding support at the 38.2. Right now, that's the level that Bitcoin would be headed to, 23,818, roughly that $24,000 area that a lot of people are thinking about. The directional movement indicator flipped bullish for Bitcoin. This could be huge. It just crossed the zero line and became yellow, which means the overall trend of the market is reversing from bearish to bullish despite how it feels. We can see similar times when this happened was right before that summer rally on the way up to $70,000. Also very close to the bottom in 2015, 2016. So we have that flipping once again, could be exceptionally bullish for Bitcoin. The 14 MA RSI is repeating structure, indicating Bitcoin has been building up the same momentum and getting ready for the next bull run. We can see increasing RSI like we saw right down here with finding support there, also finding support on the structure right here. Very similar in time to where we were. We were talking about this earlier in the week. We could be similar to September 2020. If you go back to the charts there, that was right before Bitcoin exploded. This could be the moment right before Bitcoin explodes. In this opinion, it's only the beginning of the parabolic curve. With the help of the Keltner channel, this can be shown quite well. Look at 2015, 2019, and 2020. Below the baseline, the accumulation takes place. As soon as the price goes above the baseline, it's a bull market, and Bitcoin finds support on that black baseline, which we can see right here, and which Bitcoin has been finding support on once again, likely towards the very beginning of the parabolic run. So hold on. Don't jump off the ship yet. I think Bitcoin is on the verge of a very big move. This indicator has only signaled 3 times in Bitcoin's history. When the Bollinger Band's width profile shows a blue bar, there was always a strong move afterwards. Now in 2015 and 2020, it was a move up. When in 2018, it was a move down. But when Bitcoin was above the EMA 20, this blue line, and the signal flagged, it was a move up. You can see here Bitcoin was below the EMA 20, move down. Well, look where we are right now. Bitcoin above the blue line, likely a move up based on the Bollinger Band's width profile. Right now, we have indications that Bitcoin is about to make a big move. In the history of Bitcoin, DXY shows a great hint to Bitcoin. When DXY prints a peak in the chart, a bull run of Bitcoin will then be seen. There has been a missing part in Bitcoin since the peak of DXY was formed in October of 2020. You can see right here, we have a peak, no real bull run yet. But each time we had a peak previously, we did have a bull run. So maybe this is just lagging and dragging while the whales get their positions. We can also see correlating the dollar index, DXY, and Bitcoin. When they're inversely correlated, when DXY goes down, which it looks like it's about to do, Bitcoin will likely go up. Does still have one more leg up. And just a reminder of what's to come. The year before the halving, the year after the halving, generally the most bullish periods for Bitcoin. Right now, we still have quite a ways to go, almost a full year before the halving. And then after that, we have another year and some after the halving. And if you want it in not a log chart, you could see the actual numbers. The year before, Not much, pretty much sideways. But the year after, that's when things get exciting. You just have to remember this one simple little thing. Bitcoin history has a great way of repeating itself, and unfortunately, this part is the boring part. The market will not make it easy to hold your coins to the next cycle top. At this stage in previous halving cycles, long sideways periods are common. Patience breeds winners. So right now we are 3 years into the halving cycle. Historically, these were long sideways stretches before we saw any movement. So right now, we may just continue heading sideways for quite a while, but patience does eventually pay off once we get to that parabolic run. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.